Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you want to design and build a beautiful website, you can do it all in one place with Squarespace. Welcome to another studio vlog. This is the first time I'm using a camera for like this year. I've been using my phone to vlog and I'm trying out this new camera that I'm interested in, but it's really expensive. If it's not worth it, tell me. But if it is worth it, tell me, because I really like this camera. I have returned from Perth. Unfortunately, it does help to speak more when you're scared of speaking. That's what I found, and that's no good because it means that I need to speak more so I can be more comfortable. All in all, it was good to do those talks, but I'm glad to be home. And now I'm preparing for the Zine fair furiously because I just found out I was going to be a part of it like a week ago and I couldn't work until now. So I'm finishing up a zine that I've been working on and also finishing up a sketchbook which I'm also going to turn into a zine. And then I have to start thinking about all the other stuff that I can produce for this Zine fair. I basically want to just meet people, but it's good to have lots of stuff on the table so I don't look like a stranger, you know? We're going to get breakfast and then we're going to do some drawing.
You're so cool.
I'm currently looking at this awesome Rezo mixing color guide that I got from Nat Andrewson. I love it so much, and I'm just going to cross-check online whether Pinch Press has specific colors because I'm going to decide what color zine I'm going to get. I also got this print from her which I really love too. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Today I'm so excited because I am getting my Rezo prints printed. These are little test prints of an A3 poster that I'm making with a little uplifting rainbow, but you'll see more of that today. I'm just packing my stuff because I want to go film the process and share that with you guys. Oh, prison suit check. I'm ready.
OTD. What is it? OTD? What is it?
Yeah, out of the door.
Is this how OTD videos are filmed?
Out of the day.
Whatever it is.
Yeah, I think it is. Except I think people go like this.
Always on the surface, but worth before your purpose. But some things you can't purchase.
So lovely.
So many you want.
No. I'm not going to take them. If I want something, I'll buy it.
The one that's the lighter version.
Yay!
And then I also lightened the yellow slightly because that's what had happened in your sample one.
Okay,
I'd
cool.
Lighten the yellow a little bit.
Cool.
Goldenboy, got your head so high, but still aiming to push it.
That ghosting, that will go
Yeah.
away. That little skip.
Which alignment? This here? When I saw those little rainbows, I was like, should I make a pink version? Should I make a this version? I love the speckled paper so much.
I know, Enviroco is really nice.
Why is it speckled? Like, what are the speckles? Is it just other
It's
paper?
just like the best recycled stock you can get.
I definitely like
orange
the
and
warmth
orange
of this. Like, because this is still like very pink, but I prefer the pink to the
Maybe
orange.
should we go like halfway between them?
Could we? Is that going to be annoying?
No, I just have to play with that ball again.
They are coming out and we are setting them here because they need to dry before we take them home, otherwise they will smudge.
Master of misdirection, misusing your affection. Tell me your confession.
So we just spent a little while seeding out the ones that were a little bit too misaligned. I'm fine with a little bit because I like the charm that it brings, but stuff like this one is a little bit too much for my liking. The golden boys, the perfect boys.
Golden boy, golden boy. You're dying to be golden. We know it, it's showing. We know it, you're dying to be golden boy. You say toxic, but hurts you hurt. Golden boy, got your head so high, but you still ain't one to push it. You think you're perfect, but you ain't. You think you're worth it, but you ain't. Golden boy, golden boy.
This is one of the new zines I'm launching tomorrow. It is a 48-page sketchbook zine. It's essentially the same size as the actual sketchbook. I just wanted it to be like you guys owning my sketches. And every page is a different color. Ah, so cute. I love it. This is my second new zine for the zine fair tomorrow. I'll be launching them there, and if there's any left over, I'll definitely put them in my store. I'm so excited. It's called A Walk in the Woods, and it's essentially just like a narrative, like a visual narrative of a girl walking through the woods and encountering nature.
Should be working. What are you doing now?
I'm hanging in my mouth.
Day, it's time to get away. I wanna see it all. The world is open wide. I wanna feel alive. I hear adventure call. Hey, hey, what are you saying? Feels like a perfect day. Get lost and find our way. We camp out in our cars, sleep under the stars. Feels like the world is ours. Oh yeah. This is the good life.
Whoopsies. What was the last thing I filmed? The last thing I filmed was the zine fair. And that was a while ago. I only got around to finishing the shots for my store a few days ago. And so all of my zine stickers, prints and stuff went up a day ago. And they're already sold out. So I'm so sorry, YouTube. You're always the last to know because I'm so slow. But I'm planning on doing a pre-order so that no one misses out. I thought that this would be a perfect way to lead into my SponCon. I know that everyone's heard me talk about Squarespace a million times, so I thought I would just show you what I use it for because I've been using Squarespace for like 6 or 7 years now. I feel like that number changes, but I really feel like it is 6 or 7 years now. Oopsie doodles. Okie doke. Let's see. So I'm going to create a pre-order for the new stickers and the new sketchbook zine so that no one misses out because I often disappoint people by not ordering enough. Not on purpose, it's just I underestimate. Go here. Go into my store section. So I'll change this to pre-order. I'm accepting pre-orders for a reprint of my sketchbook zine. We're going to make the stock to unlimited so that you get an idea of how many numbers to order. Okay, so we're going to do that for every single one. This is how easy it is to organize things on my store. Okay, the message is out there. So if you would like an excellent website, lots of themes to choose from, super easy to use, gorgeous, go to squarespace.com/furrylittlepeach and you will get a 2-week free trial and 10% off of your first purchase. Thank you, Squarespace. Thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you liked coming to the zine fair with me. It's really weird because I feel like tabling a zine fair is something I should have done earlier in my career because I've been an illustrator for almost 10 years now. But thank you to everyone who came. I really, really appreciate it. It was really nice to meet you all and to see the faces behind all the usernames and stuff. It was really, really fun. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.
This is the good life.